Welcome back to Just Fit Pilates. Today we'll be doing a cardio HIIT workout. So we'll be doing a warm-up, doing a 10-minute HIIT circuit, and then doing stretching at the end. So let's get right into it. All right, for our warm-up, we're gonna start with our legs. So we're gonna go into a squat, so coming down, come back up. This is an interval workout. That means we're gonna be working as hard as we can for 30 seconds and then resting, like a full rest for 30 seconds. So a little bit longer rest than what I normally do, but I really encourage you to go hard on those 30 seconds of work. Let's bring the legs together. We're gonna do a narrow squat. So we're going to squat down and come back up. Choose how low you wanna go here. So you don't have to count reps while we're doing the workout. We're just gonna be doing those intervals and just trying to move as quick as we can. So it's gonna be kind of a mix of strength and cardio. We're not using dumbbells, but that is something that we'll definitely work up towards. Let's go into second position, and we're gonna turn the feet out. We're gonna squat down and then come back up. You can raise the arms up. So you'll see some of these exercises in the workout. And when you do, try to go lower, try to go deeper, try to really challenge yourself here. Okay, let's bring the feet in parallel. So they're gonna be facing forward. Have the legs wide, we're gonna go down. So lateral lunge, come back up. To the side, come back up. I try to get more of my weight into my heel so I can really sit into that lunge. Okay, let's bring the legs closer together. We're gonna squat to the side and then to the other side. Keep going. Bring the legs together. Let's warm up the arms. Bring the arms back. Doing a mix of both arm work and leg work. Start a little bit more with the leg work. We'll get on the ground. Do some arms and kind of core there as well. Okay, let's bring them forward. Let's bring the arms together. We're gonna reach and pull. So you're gonna rotate back, driving the elbow back, and then other side. I'll show you from the side. Driving back, rotating through the spine. Bring the arms up. We're gonna cactus the arms. So we're gonna drive those elbows down and come back up. Warming up the shoulders here. Now you're gonna circle one arm back. We're gonna alternate right and left. Let your body open up and rotate with that. And forward. Okay, good. I feel warmed up. We're ready to go. I'm a little scared. Ready to work hard. Really give it your all here. And let's go. First up, side to side squat. So side to side. Go as quickly as you can, as low as you like. Here we go. Rest. Next up, feet are open wide. We're gonna go down, try to touch the floor if you can. Reach up. Here we go. Rest. Next up, legs are open wide. We're gonna go down to the side, raise up, and then other side. Down and up. Here we go. Come up. Next up, jumping jack squat. So we're gonna squat down. You can either touch your knees or all the way down here. Bring the arms up. Here we go. Rest. Whew. Next, we're gonna do a reverse lunge with an arm raise. So start on your right leg. Left leg's gonna come back as arms reach up. Lunge, come back up. We'll stay on that side. 30-second rest, go to the other side. Here we go. Rest. Left leg front, here we go. and rest. Done with the legs, we're gonna move on to the arms. Get on the floor for that. Let's get down. We're gonna start with shoulder taps. I'm gonna do it with my knees slightly away. Hands underneath the shoulders, tap and tap. Here we go. Rest, take those arms out. We're gonna go back into that position and do plank ups. So coming up here on the forearms, down, down, up, up. Let's begin. Come up. Two left, here we go. We're gonna get into that quadruped position, lift off the knees, step out, out, in. Here we go. Come down, stretch that out. Last one, push-up walkouts with a squat. We're gonna stand up for this. Keep the legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hair flip. Squat down, come up, and repeat. Here we go. Come up, let's stretch. Let's start with our legs first. So we're going to bring one leg back. We'll stretch the quad. So you can pick the right leg first. We'll hold here. Bring the leg in front and then stretch forward. We're gonna stretch the hamstring. Come up, let's switch legs. Bring the leg forward, let's stretch the hamstring. Come up. We're gonna stretch the shoulders, so bring one arm across, hook it with the other arm. And bring the arm up, we're gonna do a tricep. So bring it up and over if you can. Hold here. Other side, so let's do the other shoulder now. Now the triceps, so bring it up and over, bend the elbow. Now reach up, extend through that spine. Let's roll down. Slowly stack the spine. And you're all set. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. This is a great one to add to the end of a workout, or just whenever you're short on time and want to get a little something in. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.